How to use Allianz Disability Insurance Italy properly. Beginner mistakes that cost you. Allianz Disability Insurance in Italy helps replace income if illness or injury prevents you from working. Despite its importance, many policyholders make mistakes that can reduce coverage or risk claim denial. Most people get this wrong because they assume all disabilities are automatically covered, and the surprising truth is they are not. A major mistake is misunderstanding the definition of disability. Some Allianz plans cover only your own occupation, while others cover any occupation. Choosing the wrong definition can leave you with limited benefits if your condition affects only your current role. Ignoring the waiting period is another common error. This period before benefits begin can impact your financial stability. Longer waiting periods reduce premiums but leave you exposed. Shorter periods cost more, but ensure quicker support. It's important to balance this with your savings and monthly expenses. Underestimating the benefit amount is another trap. Coverage should reflect your income, living costs, and financial obligations. Selecting too low a benefit may save money initially, but could leave you vulnerable during serious illness or injury. Skipping optional riders is also a mistake. Allianz offers extras like residual disability coverage, cost of living adjustments, and future increase options. Foregoing these limits flexibility and long-term protection. Finally, providing incomplete or inaccurate medical or occupational information can jeopardize your claim. Allianz requires full transparency during application and claims. Misreporting or omitting details may delay or deny benefits. By avoiding these mistakes, Allianz Disability Insurance Italy can provide strong, reliable income protection. Understand your policy's definition of disability, choose the right waiting period, set sufficient benefits, consider optional riders, and always provide accurate information for lasting financial security.